This is Rigid10K, a glass-filled photopolymer by Formlabs. This is Materials Matter, a series dedicated to showing all the unique applications each one of our resins are designed for. What you're looking at here is our sample part for Rigid10K Resin. It's a thermoforming mold with intricate textured faces, the Formlabs logo, and holes on the back to stabilize the part and allow for airflow during the thermoforming process. What makes Rigid10K special is that it resists deformation under high temperature and high pressure processes. It's the stiffest resin in Formlabs' lineup, and that's what the 10K stands for, the tensile modulus of 10,000 megapascals. It's ideal for industrial-grade rapid prototyping, aerodynamic tests, injection molds, jigs, and fixtures which enable precision and detail beyond traditional manufacturing. And because of the glass powder, the surface is perfect for molds. It's incredibly smooth with a matte finish, and it looks and even feels like stone. But you've got to see it to believe it. So if you want this free sample part, request it on the Formlabs website and test out its vacuum forming and thermoforming capabilities. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions and what kind of resin you would like to see next on Materials Matter.